Hey, this is Charles, and today I'll go over my Beacons.ai review. It's commonly just known as Beacons. It is an all-in-one digital hub. When I first saw it, I didn't really pay attention to it because there were other platforms like Linktree. There were a bunch of people using Stan stores. But then I started looking at a bunch of forums, and then these were like social media groups. People were saying, gosh, I wish I jumped into Beacons earlier and built my shop on that. And noticed more people saying that. So that's when I started looking into it. And what I realized is that it's a very simplified business hub. So there's a bunch of applications in it and it's all in one place. If you stay till the end, I'm going to give you something kind of special here. It is a free video that will show you how to earn passive income online. Who am I? I'm Charles Draven. I spent over a decade building online businesses from Silicon Valley, and I got started when I was a financial consultant. I was trying to find a way to build my business online by using paid ads, and then I stumbled into just a bunch of offers. Many of them were promising financial freedom, and I realized after trying a bunch that they were just too complicated or didn't help me make money. And then I realized that I could make money a very simple way. Since then, this strategy that I use, it's morphed over time, but it's pretty much relying on the same fundamentals. And I built my Influence by TV channel to share what I know about this. So if you want to earn passive income, this is a place. Disclaimer, I am affiliated with Beacons, so I do earn money through its affiliate program. What is Beacons.ai? It is a powerful link in bio tool that helps creators, businesses, and anyone online connect with their audience and monetize their content. It's like having a mini website in their bio, streamlining your online presence. Its USP, the unique selling proposition, is that it offers a comprehensive set of tools, including link management, website building, email marketing, monetization options. Who is the founder? His name is Neil Jean. He's a tech entrepreneur based out of San Francisco, and he co-founded this, and he is also the CEO. His vision and experience shaped the platform's innovation. How do customers make money using Beacons.ai? I'm going to show you some kind of previews of what it looks like so you can understand this more. Users can monetize their audience by selling digital products, accepting donations, promoting affiliate links, and more. It's a versatile platform for turning followers into customers. So earlier I mentioned link in bio tool. This is what a link in bio looks like. It's kind of like a link tree, and it allows you to do email marketing too. It allows you to allow users to go to external links. It allows you to even monetize from promoting beacons. That's the free version. By the way, this is a free version. I have not been paying for it, and I still find a lot of value in it. I also want to show you this. This is how people monetize their Beacons account. This is actually a page from a Beacon shop. So I want to show you that it does have a very simple, very nice looking layout for people that want to promote their products online. So going back to the Beacons review, has a lot. And how much does it cost? Well, I'm using the free account. I've seen accounts very close to 10 bucks and then on up to like close to $30. It's something around that. And the reason why I'm saying just these kind of like general amounts, because it really depends on the features you're looking at. I would say make sure that you check out the link in my first pinned comment and you'll be able to learn a lot more about it and see if the various features for the different price plans apply to you. Because of course, if they don't apply to you, then you don't need to pay for it. That's like my situation. I am not paying for it and I'm still getting a lot of value from it. Here are the strengths. User-friendly interface, both on the outside, like the websites, the shopping cart, very user-friendly interface, but you also get to see the admin panel too. So the admin panel, I'll just show you quickly. It's very streamlined, very simple. I like the layout. It's very simple to use. And I think it's also very good for beginners. So for me, there are options that I used to share years ago. I'd say, oh, if you want to build a website, go ahead and go to WordPress. I think that back then, WordPress was simpler than coding out websites, but I do feel that it's still complicated for people that are just starting. Of course, when you're starting, you have to learn, But if you want to reduce the learning curve, then I think Beacons is one way of doing it. It is an all-in-one platform. It centralizes all the essential online features into this one hub. It does provide you with monetization features, so a very diverse amount of ways to to monetize your business. Here are the drawbacks. The weaknesses include customization limitations, design flexibility could be improved. I'll mention this. From what I've seen, it has a lot of features and it's great for people that want to keep it simple. For people that don't want to keep it simple, if you just want to have like all the mini micro gadgets that apply to a certain tool, like let's say email marketing or to e-commerce, this may not be for you. If you are looking to compete against Amazon, this is not the tool for you. This is the type of tool where it's has a lot of value if you just want to keep it simple. Platform dependence. This is very common for a lot of cloud software nowadays, software as a service. And the whole thing is to, of course, keep you as a long-term customer. So that's very common amongst many applications. Transaction fees. The free plan does include some transaction fees on sales. It is free, so it doesn't bother me. Beacons.ai offers exciting growth opportunities. So this, especially with the link in bio tool, it is optimized so you could reach a wider audience through integrated marketing. And it has the ability to diversify your different monetization methods. I want to mention this that when I got started online, a lot of direct response marketers were just saying, do not promote more than one link. I would say for the most part, that's true. But then I started realizing people promoting one link that then led to many links, such as this one. They'd promote, like, let's say this is my page, so promote one page, but then it would have multiple options. Some people even have like a dozen options. But what's interesting about that is that some direct response marketers say, oh, they're just doing that because they're rookies. But some of these people are actually making very, very big income, even larger than these people that are talking. So I'll just say that there are some people that have had extreme success promoting these types of landing pages. Brand building. Create a strong and cohesive online presence. And then every platform faces challenges. So let's look at the threats. Competition. There's a bunch of e-commerce shops and link in bio tools in the market. There's also algorithm changes. A lot of people will be promoting the link in bio. Some platforms, they may not be so cool with that, but the thing is that just about any online platform that people use to build a business, they do have the ability to promote a link somehow, whether that's through posts, through comments, through direct messages. The main thing is that if you are using social media to build your business, you don't want people to be limiting you. So you want to find the platforms that are right for your business. Platform updates, changes to Beacons.ai, it can affect your business. And the thing is that what you get today is not what it's going to look like maybe in 5 years or maybe 10 years if it does exist at that time. Thing is that these cloud solutions will try to innovate. They'll try to improve the platform. And with improvements, with innovation, things are going to change. It's kind of like when you compare today's iPhone compared to the first iPhone. Things will change. Same thing with Windows. Same thing with a lot of computing products. Beacons AI, to me, it is a valuable tool for anyone looking to simplify their business. Again, for people that want to keep it simple. There are people that don't want to keep it simple, especially people that hop into WordPress and load their blogs with dozens and dozens of plugins. I get it. I used to be that kind of person. So, want if you want to even if you want to earn more money, if you want to become financial free, one of the things that I highly recommend, one of the reasons why I use Beacons is to promote something called high ticket affiliate marketing offers. And to me, it's a game changer. So what I'm going to do now is talk to you about the benefits of this because this is how I use Beacons and other web pages to promote high ticket affiliate offers. And if this is something for you, stay till the end because I will give you access to another free video. So first of all, you can get very substantial commissions. I'm talking about 3 to 5 plus figures per sale. Reduced competition. People that focus on high ticket products are typically the main ones that are promoting those products. So it's very different than other affiliate networks where it's open to the general public and those other networks will just have tons and tons of people competing against you. Passive income. My main thing is creating passive income, generating passive income. One of the methods is through recurring income. Another way is just having systems that promote my offers for me. And then authority building. If you do start earning some very good commissions, then that is something that helps boost your authority and people will think of you as an expert. Flexibility and freedom, you can work on your own terms. So if all this sounds interesting to you, as I mentioned earlier, I will give you this freebie. And then also in the first pinned comment, you'll also find a link to Beacons. So if you want to learn more about Beacons. So if you're ready to level up, go ahead and check out the first comment and you'll find both those links there. So that's all for this Beacons review. Thank you for watching.